Hello, I'm back. I hit the lottery tickets. Yes, the three scratch card consolation prizes yesterday on the video. But on the video, I did not notice any of this because of some instruction under the card. Okay, here are the winning scratch card ticket. Look at the coin. Okay, it's below the coin. If we scratch and reveal a coin, you can win the prize below. So here is the first winning ticket. Look at the coin and below the consolation prize. Okay, here is the second ticket. Look at the coin below, and here's the last ticket. Look at the coin and below. Okay, I will claim the prize and apply the second strategy since this is my side experiment. Yes, guys, I got a surprise to everyone. Yes, to everyone. There are lottery winners who message me using my strategy and formula. I feel so happy, guys. Just simple word. I feel so happy regarding on this. I don't know which strategy formula they used. I am really feel happy for them. They can enjoy life much happier. On this video, I will show you how I hit the lottery 3 times a week. This is for all country and state applied for US, Australia, Canada, any lottery games out there. Okay. But this involves a capital for betting and wagering. Here are the 3 secret ways. Master wheel, yes, we will wheel the number to get the desired combination for our wagering. Okay, and the type of betting are box bet. And the most important part technique is here is the martingale technique. This is my favorite of course, because we recapture our losses. Even a small winning percentage, at least we capture our losses. The martingale technique. We will use 5 power numbers. It's even your birthday, favorite number, your lucky number, any 5 number. Okay, I'll choose my number 79236. Okay. So we will level 8 ABs. Okay guys, I will show you how to get your power number combination for betting. Okay, just you can print screen this or copy this. Okay, here's the complete set. Now we will just replace our corresponding number below. 236 CDA. Okay. Just put the corresponding number on each. These are composed of 10 combinations to use for box and rumble baiting. We plan to hit 3 times weekly or 4 times weekly. This is the way. All of the combination, I arranged it from 4 power numbers, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the perfect way with the low budget and the perfect timing of the martingale technique. You will save a lot and win. On day 1, betting on the 10 combination, let's say $10 each. And let's say it hit one number. Hit your one number of your combination. Okay. On day 2, you will continue the betting, but you will be betting double on the other 9 combination left. This method is to win all the combination. So your 9 number combination, you will bet this times 2. Day 3, you will triple your betting the others left combination and continue the betting until it all hit. Yes guys, on day 3 you will triple each combination. You will triple the betting. Just recapture 2. You will triple the betting to recapture your losses. Here is to win. Always win. I am showing to you no losses on this strategy. I guaranteed winning, no losses. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.